If you're trying to lose fat but feel stuck, it might be because of how you start your mornings. Yes, your morning habits can literally make or break your fat loss. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful habits you should do before 9 a.m. to keep your metabolism fired up all day. Let's jump in. Start your day by drinking warm water with lemon and pink Himalayan salt. This simple combo rehydrates your body, balances electrolytes, and kickstarts your digestive system. When you're hydrated first thing, your body functions better, including fat burning. Bonus: it helps reduce morning bloating too. You don't need a full workout, but a 5 to 10 minute brisk walk, light yoga, or bodyweight movement can help spike your metabolism early. Morning movement gets your heart rate up, boosts energy, and primes your body to burn more calories throughout the day. Even just marching in place while brushing your teeth counts. That sugary cereal or flavored latte? It's hurting your fat loss goals. Instead, have a high-protein breakfast with foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Protein in the morning reduces hunger hormones, keeps you full longer, and prevents blood sugar crashes that lead to cravings. Yes, sunlight helps you burn fat. Just 10 to 15 minutes of natural light exposure in the morning helps regulate your circadian rhythm, boost mood, and stabilize metabolism. Sunlight also supports healthy cortisol levels, which are key for fat loss. So step outside, stretch, and soak in those rays. Before checking your phone or jumping into stress mode, take 2 to 3 minutes to focus your mind. Journaling, deep breathing, or simply setting your intention for the day makes a huge difference. This helps you stay in control, avoid emotional eating, and stay committed to your weight loss goals. If you want faster, visible results without the guesswork, I've linked a powerful fat-burning training program in the description. It's easy to follow, beginner-friendly, and it works. Try these 5 habits for 1 week, and let me know your results in the comments.